everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I went to Michael's looking for the new 2016 Heidi Swapp memory planners, and I couldn't find the 2016 ones, but I found this one, which I believe was released earlier this year, 2015, and this is the Make It Happen memory planner kit. So according to the box, it comes with one washi tape roll, 142 stickers, and an album. So as you can see, this is a coil bound planner, and it's a fairly decent size. It's not too big, not too small, and it's also not very thick. It's white with gold foil dots, and it says Make It Happen. Once you open it, it's this beautiful interior with pink flowers and gold foiling, and it goes straight into a month on 2 pages view and then a week on 1 page. As you can see, it's completely undated, so you can start it on any month of any year. I am going to be personalizing this for my mom, and I'm going to actually start it with December 2015. So that was a quick little unboxing. I'm actually going to get into personalizing it and decorating it for my mom. So what I've done is I've put little number stickers for the days of the month, and I've done it for every single month in this planner. All I have to do next is date all of the weeks, and the setup for this planner will be done. I'm going to be using a date stamp bundle from Tiny Stamps Big Ideas on Etsy to date all of my weeks. And the ink that I like to use is the Stays On Jet Black ink. So this planner setup is basically done. I'm going to do a quick flip through of how I've done everything. I have actually already given it to my mom, so she has written some things down. So if you noticed that, that's because she's already used it for about a week, but I just didn't have time to film the flip through. So I'm doing it now. So once again, this is the cover. This is the really pretty inside, and then it goes straight into December. And I have stamped and stuck on all of the weeks. This is January. This is February. March. April. May. June, July, August, September, October, and November is the last month since we started with December. So I think that since I got this planner for 50% off because I had a coupon from Michael's, I believe it's a really good deal, and it's pretty spacious, although it's only 1 week on one page. However, I had some pages left over, and if you can tell on my Instagram, I've actually been using those pages myself in my A5 planner, and they're actually pretty useful, and they are spacious enough to fit a week on one page. So that was the setup for this planner. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more planner videos and DIY videos, and also check out my Instagram. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!